Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making Christmas Gumdrop Nougat candy. It's an easy no-bake treat that's perfect for the holiday season. For our ingredients, we have butter, white chocolate chips, mini marshmallows, and we have red and green gumdrops. You want to prepare a baking dish lined with parchment paper, preferably a square baking dish. I cut my gumdrops in half. And once you cut them in half, you want to set them to the side. Now here, I'm going to turn on my pot on low as it can be. And we're going to melt the butter. And once our butter is melted, we're going to add our white chocolate chips. Once our white chocolate chips are melted, we're going to add in our marshmallows. And we're going to mix everything together. You could use a double boiler by putting a heat-proof bowl over a saucepan and gently simmering water. Make sure that the bowl and the pan fits together snug. This ensures that the mixture doesn't burn. But in my video, I just turned mine down really low and I have a heavy bottom pot. It makes it easier not to burn. So you want to continuously stir the mixture until it is smooth and melted together, as you can see. Make sure you do not cook the mixture. The goal is just to melt and not cook or boil. You want to remove it from the heat and let it cool for about 2 minutes. Because if you don't let it cool a little bit, as you can see in mine, that the gumdrops start to melt just a little bit. So you want to stir in your gumdrops and mix well. You want to pour the mixture into a prepared pan. The mixture will be very sticky. Very sticky. So I used a lightly greased piece of parchment paper to help spread the mixture out. So you want to spread and pat the mixture down into your pan. Here I'm showing you how it looks. And now we're going to refrigerate it for about 2 hours before cutting. Or overnight is best. You want to slice it in bite-sized pieces. And to store the candy, you can use parchment paper in between the layers so that the candy does not stick together. We have made Christmas Gumdrop Nougat candy. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.